asked everyone that was around him, and now everyone who is in here with me, a question in the text. He says, "Hast thou not known? Hast thou not heard that the everlasting God, the Lord, the creator of the ends of the earth, fainteth not, neither is he weary." Isaiah here is trying to let God's people know that not only does God have the power to create, but he also never gives up. And I wish I had a few people in here that's thankful that God never gives up. It's good to know that no matter what you're going through, that we serve a God who will hang in there when the going gets tough. I'm talking to some folk right now. You had people in your life that was right there with you just as long as everything was going how they saw that it needed to go. But as soon as it got hot in the kitchen, as soon as you were down like 4 flat tires, when you looked around, they were nowhere to be found. Oh! But when it comes to Jesus, somebody in here knows that he'll stick closer to you than a brother. And I wish I had about 3.5 witnesses in here that can testify when you needed Jesus the most, he showed up when nobody else could have. He showed up, he showed up. As a matter of fact, I'm talking to a few people whose testimony is this. It doesn't take much for you to give God praise anymore at this point in your life. As a matter of fact, for a few of you, all it takes is a thought. Because when you think of the goodness of Jesus and all that he's done for you, your son. Hallelujah. And I know some of y'all quiet through here. I know some of y'all quiet right through here, but can I keep it real in here? Jesus has brought each of us through a little bit too much for us not to give him praise. He's done too much. Y'all quiet, but do me a favor and look at your neighbor and say, he's done, like I said, he's done too much. What has he done? What has he done? What has he? I'm glad you asked. He's been a bed to sleep in, a place to live in, food on our table, clothes on your back, a job sustainer, gas in your car, tuition when you need it, a friend when you want it, a mother when she's gone, a father who's a good baby daddy. Y'all not helping me. He's been a mind regulator, a bridge over troubled water when I'm thirsty, healing in your body, breath in your lungs,